In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and utilize your referral link on Pocket Option. Now, if you've been navigating through Pocket Option and you're keen on sharing your experience or bringing friends on board, knowing where to find your referral link is essential. Let's dive into this simple process step by step to ensure you get the most out of your Pocket Option account. First off, we're going to access your Pocket Option dashboard. This is your main control center where you can track all your trading activities and manage your account settings. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll notice there's a small photo or avatar. This is typically where your profile picture would be, and it's a quick gateway to access more detailed information about your account and its settings. Go ahead and click on that photo. By doing this, you'll be taken to your profile page. Here, you might see various sections showcasing your trading statistics, performance, and other personal information related to your Pocket Option account. But for today's task, we want to focus specifically on something called Pocket Friends. At the top of this page, you should see a tab labeled Pocket Friends. Clicking on this will lead you to a section dedicated to connections and interactions within the Pocket Option community. It's a feature that not only allows you to connect with other users, but also provides a way to share your trading platform with others. Now, once you're in the Pocket Friends area, keep an eye out for a section labeled Your Referral Link. This is a crucial element, allowing you to invite others to join the platform using a link unique to your account. The beauty of having a personalized referral link is that it can track new users joining Pocket Option through your invitation, and often these programs come with benefits for both you and the referred user. So, what do you do with this link? Well, there are a couple of straightforward options available. You can either copy the link directly or opt to share the link. To copy the link, simply click on the copy button or icon available next to the link. This action places the link directly onto your clipboard, making it easy to paste into a message or an email. Alternatively, if you prefer sharing the link immediately through other platforms, there would likely be an option to do so directly. Whether it's via email, social media, or messaging apps, sharing the link can be as quick as a few button taps. Decide what method works best for you based on how you plan to reach out to your friends or network. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've now successfully located and prepared your referral link for use. Sharing your passion for trading through Pocket Option could be a great way to broaden your trading community and maybe even earn some bonuses along the way. Thank you for joining me today, and happy trading!